Hello, in this video I will show you the Adrenalin Ground Analyzer 3D is a program designed for underground imaging. From our Google Play Store, how to download it and the process of installing it on an Android phone or tablet computer. Installation process. To begin with, I would like to emphasize this point. App for all Androids, works on versions. The application language is tablet or phone. By the language choice, the automatic process of changing something will show. If your device's language is English, the app will be in English. Changing the phone's language alters the app's language by us to the connection link that has been sent to our users. Or alternatively, you can click on the link that we will be sharing with you. You can connect to our Play Store store or the application on our server to the phone and tablet you want to install it on. This application allows all users visiting our website allows you to gather information regarding our products and services. Explore our YouTube store. It provides the opportunity for use. On the first launch window of the application, our website. 3D analysis of the application. To gain information about the section, this is where it is situated. Through demo visuals, we can see how the 3D image analysis of the application is performed. You can find out information about what has been done. Alongside our 3D analysis application, users who have previously purchased products from us, users has the ability to log into the application. I would like to briefly mention this. With our application, among the devices we produce, there is a special communication protocol. Third-party applications do not connect with devices from other brands and models. People who use various brands and models of detectors or imaging equipment, in the event that they request this application from us, it will not be compatible with their devices. As preliminary information, I perform the registration process with my own information. Users who own any product can enter the model name, the model of the product our users possess, in this section. Can access the restriction. the activation, the license key that has been sent over, the number, the license key tab located at the bottom. By entering, we complete the registration process. 3D analysis. In the application tab, we encounter 3D regular scanning, live scanning, to be used with metal detectors, the metal detector section, the past scans section, where recorded data will be examined, our online store where you can visit our website, and there's a section for setting up the initial configurations. In the top tab, again 3D scanning, live scanning, metal detector, and past scans are together. A window that opens up is present. Check our YouTube channel in the top right by logging in, and our products about performance and usage. You will gain knowledge by watching the videos. There is a link available. Now I will show you how the initial connection process with the device takes place. First, I will establish the connection. I am activating the device. In the settings section, Bluetooth should be on, must be on. From the Bluetooth settings section, we perform a scan and HC06 to the Bluetooth device named 1, 2, 3, 4. By entering the PIN code, we complete the connection process. This connection process is done with the phone and is a connection established between the device to be used. The 3D application needs to transfer data from this device. In order to select this device from the Select Device section and establish the intermediary connection. From here, we can mark the appropriate option and click on the HC06 device that appears to complete the connection process. Regarding how many steps forward will be taken, we can make the selection from this section. We can make a selection. In this video, I am opting for 5 steps to conduct a quick scan. Horizontal row, we can pick 50 in a row. To keep the video short, I am choosing 5 rows. Scan direction. It comes as both double and single. We have always witnessed that one-way scanning provides more precise results. Therefore, I recommend scanning in one direction. I recommend it. Automatic and manual scanning. In the area where you can select between processes, in the field to this device or equipment, our user who owns another of our products may find it appropriate to scan in manual mode because regarding these types of devices previously, individuals who possess experience in rugged and challenging the reasons why. Users believe that manual scanning is superior. They are aware that it enables the collection of data without any errors. Video overload. I prefer not to extend it automatically. I'll do it in automatic mode. There exists a delay in time. This is related to the signal interval. How delayed? It indicates that it will be taken, like 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 or 4 seconds are available. I reckon that 2 seconds is just right. Here, it shows how many sensors will be selected in horizontal position on devices. It seems. Selecting one sensor on the secret imager is appropriate. Z18 professional model can accommodate 8 sensors. There is a scanning option available. Screen size should be set to 1 on high resolution screens. On screens that are of low resolution, 2 should be used. Generally at low screen resolution. On tablet computers and mobile phones, 2. Choosing this will result in improved outcomes. If an incorrect choice is made, a half-rendered image will show up. It won't fill the entire screen. If the user faces this kind of image, they can choose option 2 from here. To use the full screen application, I am performing the registration process and first accessing the 3D. I am entering the scanning section. Currently, the devices. The blue Bluetooth light is always on now. This indicates that the Bluetooth connection has been established and the device is ready for data transfer. Makes it evident. Start the scan section. I tap. And with every signal reception, the application gives us a voice notification. Here, the signal data received during the measurement. Out loud, based on one's level of awareness, with a high-pitched tone if it's metal, and if it's a void, with a low-pitched tone, it will provide information. Yes, I have just conducted an example. I conducted a scan. Here is how the device, a sample measurement conducted to inform you regarding the scanning process and the registration procedure I performed. The recording process, as you wish. You can sign up using your name details. I did a registration with my first name. Now, here, during the initial measurement, in the area you scanned, location information, and the received signal strength, about the signal level, you will encounter information. Our user who wants to gain insight about the depth information can Select the soil type here and access information on how deep. Can see that it is deep inside. In this video, you can see this application displayed in both Turkish and English languages. Whenever the language of the phone is altered, in several languages, provides the opportunity for use without needing to select any language. Whichever language you set your phone to, the application will be opened in that language. Now I have saved the scan, and from the history section of saved scans, I am opening the image. Now we see the signal strength here on level 45. A signal is located here at level 160. Removing hair. Filter present here. The user, not concerned with, does not wish to detect low magnetic levels found in minerals and rocks, provides the ability to eliminate magnetically charged objects. Interpolation 1, low level. Two additional higher levels. 3 at the peak of excellence. Will sort magnetic charged rocks and minerals. We just need that we believe might be made of metal, or that we are certain is an empty void. Objects will remain other. Everything that will produce a mineral impact the results will vanish from the screen. We will only be concerned with magnetically charged objects made of metal that have a high probability of being voids, will persist. Once the soil type has been selected, the depth at which the objects are located, it will be visible in the application. Live scanning. Once the button is pressed, we'll start collecting data. We'll start the acquisition, and on the screen, it will be a video stream. Strong signal received. On the screen, by means of color transformation, thanks to the color change, will be of help in taking. We will be faced with images that have been magnetically charged, rocks and metals in red and orange, in colors, the space and the loose surface, possessing negative anomalies. The objects will show blue tones. In this process, recording, it won't happen instant. Scanning with color flow and sound changes, we can get an idea about an object detected. The calibration button, while the device is in search position, to establish a full compatibility with the ground, provides an opportunity. In this way, from the area where calibration was conducted, finding various metal and empty objects around, it will display them on the screen. When the pause button is pressed, the application will pause. When we want to continue again by saying the scanning process from where we left off. To start again, will offer a chance. In the next video, I will do detailed analyses. I wish everyone